What is going on, guys? This is Daniel from Engineer's Note. Today we're going to take a look at linear combination. This concept is very important but also very simple. So let's just get right into it. So what is linear combination? Linear combination of vectors is a combination of vectors you can make by using addition and scaling. So linear combination consists of two things. The first one is addition of vectors, and second is vectors multiplied by some scalars. So let's just take an example, right? So here are two vectors a1, a2, and they have only two components. So what are some linear combinations of a1 and a2? So by using addition and scaling, you can express linear combination of a1 and a2 in general. Here, c1a1 plus c2a2. So you used those two things, addition and scaling. So you added two vectors, multiplied it by two different, or it could be the same, but two arbitrarily scalar. Okay, so here is a general form of linear combination of a1 and a2, and here are some real examples. So a1, is this a linear combination of a1 and a2? Yes, it is, because this one is 0. This one is 1 times a1 plus 0 times a2. This is definitely a linear combination of a1 and a2. It just looks like this, right? Just looks like this. So it's a definitely linear combination of a1 and a2. What about this? a1 plus a2, which is 1, 3. Of course it is. 1 times a1, 1 times a2. Here is another example. 2a1 plus minus 1 times a2. This is also some kind of linear combination of a1 and a2. This one is also a linear combination of a1 and a2 because this is none of a1 and 1 of a2, right? So it just looks like this. So, and also 0 is also a linear combination of a1 and a2 because it is 0 times a1 plus 0 times a2. Okay, so let's just take another example. So here are some three vectors in two-dimensional space, which we're gonna learn in the next video probably. So here are a1 and a2 and a3. So in general, you can express the linear combination of those three vectors this way. So it's very simple, isn't it? So I think that's it for today. So thanks for watching. Probably in the next video, I'm gonna teach you about vector spaces and subspaces. So I hope to see you in the next video.